As we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with various shapes, sizes and textures. Observe different things around you carefully. Take a look at things around you. Your books, toy car, pen, water bottle, the ball you bought yesterday. All of them have something in common. Can you guess what? Let's explore. First of all, each one of these substances occupies a fixed space. In fact, if you try and replace one for the other, space may either be too big for the other object, while it may be considered small for the other. Secondly, each of them has a fixed mass. The empty bottle weighs 20 grams. Let us fill it up with water up to the brim. Water takes the shape of the bottle. The bottle is now equal to 10-20 grams. Thus, both the bottle as well as water filled in the bottle occupy some space and have a fixed mass. In comparison, the ball seems to be lighter. If we deflate this ball, its mass reduces to 5 grams. This shows that the air filled in the ball also occupies the space inside the ball and has a fixed mass. In scientific terms, each of them is matter. Thus, the matter is anything which occupies space and has a mass. However, we can clearly differentiate one matter from the other. While the ball is red and can be compressed to change its shape, the toy car is yellow, hard and incompressible. You can write with your pen as ink, being a liquid, flows freely on writing. These terms that we use to describe how matter looks, feels and behaves are called as its properties. To summarize, we have studied that anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. All matter looks, feels, tastes, smells and behaves differently, that is, has unique properties. You must have now realized that all the objects kept around you are matter. But you can observe that objects like the table are rigid. Some substances like milk can flow easily. Why does matter exhibit different physical states? Watch the upcoming videos to find out the answer to this question.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.